What's up, everybody? HG the Hope coming at you. Guys, we went up to Thunder Alley and we had an awesome time. You saw that I posted a video. Adam Drake was up there getting some practice in. Cars ran great, guys. But I'm about to do a cleaning and I wanted to share. Thank you, Mark Santa Maria. Watch Mark Santa Maria's video, and he reminded that right now you could pick up a compressor for Black Friday sales. I picked this guy up at Home Depot, guys. So if you're looking for a compressor, Home Depot's got them. So I'm gonna fire this guy up, which I already was running it. Let's fire it up. Let's take this guy to the back. This is the truggy. Let's do a quick cleaning so we can see how that compressor works. Alright guys, let's go to the back. We're gonna walk through the house. Getting ready to head out to the desert again for Thanksgiving. Alright, we're coming through the house. Excuse the mess, guys. Been busy working. Okay, we're cutting through the house. Alright, already got the block set up right here. Alright. So we're gonna put the car on the block. There we go. We got that compressor running. While it's running, let's go ahead and hit simple green on the areas we know we could hit simple green. You know what I mean? All right. Get this baby all cleaned up. This is how I'm basically copying all the guys that I see at the track. Mark Santa Maria. They kind of just do this. Actually, I'm pretty much copying Mark Santa Maria. This is what I seen him do on one of his videos. He just simple greens it. And then he just hits it with air. And then he WD-40s it. And he gets it soaked. Alright, guys. Okay. There's Mr. Flash. He wants to see what's cracking, huh, Flash? You want to see what's cracking? Alright, let's hit down here. Alright. So guys, I ran the truggy 2 battery packs at Thunder Alley and it ran great. I only ran it twice and that was it. I stood on nitro. I'm really digging nitro, guys. But Lord willing, maybe we'll go up to Thunder Alley in December. They're gonna have a toys for tot drive, I think, and some racing. So maybe we'll race at least the electric cars. Not really ready for nitro racing. All right, here we go. Working good, guys. Side. Again, let's try it like this. Oops, watch your plug. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. See this side right here. Might have to check that. That screw might have gone loose there. That's how you do it, guys. Just kind of get in there. Looks okay. Right here looks kind of filthy. Kind of hard to do this part. Let's see. Because I got holding you guys with one arm. Oh, okay, we'll do that. Spin it back. Oh. And that's how we get her done, guys. Then what you could do, get some WD, kind of just give it a little coat. So what I like to do is just give it a little coat at the back right here. Okay. And this guy. Okay. All right. Put that up there. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now? We come to the back. There's the weights. I gotta start hitting the weights, man. Put this guy right here to sun bake. This guy's been baking already. See that? I had him baking for a little bit. Could probably either let it bake some more, but eventually I'll take it back to the compressor and I'll hit it with air again. So this guy's baking. And that's how I do my cleaning, guys. All right, there's Luna getting in the mix. And then I'll go get the other nitro truggy and do the same thing. All right, guys. So hopefully you liked that video. But yeah, if you need a compressor, Home Depot, guys, pick them up and get to cleaning. All right, guys, HG the Hulk over and out.